That's still not working, I'm afraid. We could hear you earlier, so I don't know if something has changed. We could hear you when you came on the call. I'm really sorry, Chanel, we can't hear you there.
Can you hear me?
Yes, that's great.
Okay, I'm not Chanel, so maybe I'll take this slide for Chanel. So we've uncovered some critical issues in our current language training approach. With the recent policy shift in the Official Language Act, language training is important now more than ever, and the external offer just doesn't match the demand. We're seeing a shortage of qualified instructors, and the existing solutions are fragmented and inefficient. We've heard from public servants who feel marginalized, unable to fully express themselves or advance in their careers because of language barriers and policy. Departments are struggling with costly, ineffective training programs. But it's more than just dollars and cents. There's a psychological toll on employees who feel constant linguistic insecurity. This impacts the service we provide Canadians. Chanel,
Statistically,
maybe.
the demand is high and supply is restricted when it comes to language training. This creates an impossible burden that disproportionately impacts the well-being and careers of Indigenous peoples, persons with a disability, and racialized groups. If we're committed to equity, inclusion, and talent development in the public service, we need to address this access gap.
Chanel, you sound very far away.
I can continue. To back this up, Team One has launched a survey targeting public servants across various government groups to identify their challenges and recommendations for second language learning. In just 3 days, we gathered over 300 responses showcasing the urgent interest for effective solutions. Our aim is to design with users to build a tool that makes official language bilingualism not a barrier, but a bridge in the public service. So what's the solution? We think an easily accessible AI-driven language learning tool designed for public servants would significantly address this problem. This wouldn't be just another language learning tool. The AI-assisted learning would personalize lessons based on user strengths and weaknesses, provide real-time feedback, and create learning plans that pull from the government data sets such as Moril, GC Lingua, Treasury Board of Secretariat, and the Canada School of Public Service. No other platform on the market offers French Canadian and English Canadian content, government specific vocabulary aligning with the PSC standards to achieve a level C, and is contained within a protected B environment. This is a proposed mock-up of the tool, showcasing dynamic features and functionality. The intention is to create a platform that incorporates gamification to engage language learners via interactive AI tutor. Not only will the learner be able to practice their reading and writing skills, but they will also be able to have an oral conversation with an AI tutor, allowing for the development and maintenance of their second official language. This will certainly help people who have limited exposure and for those who suffer from linguistic insecurity to practice in a safe learning environment. Our tool, aligned with the government AI strategy, is set to revolutionize language training in the public service. By developing this solution internally, we will enhance access to language learning and break down barriers for equity-seeking groups, ensuring availability 24/7 at a significantly lower cost than external providers. With customized learning plans tailored to meet Public Service Commission standards, we anticipate an improved success rate and shorter training durations. This not only reduces training costs for departments, but also minimizes the financial barrier of replacing staff during training. Moreover, our tool addresses the psychological stresses faced by learners who experience repeated failures by fostering a more supportive and safe, effective training environment. By increasing access to language training, providing customized learning solutions, and reducing costs, we empower more public servants to achieve bilingualism, therefore enhancing the overall quality of public service delivery. As a result, we will significantly strengthen our bilingual capacity, ensuring that Canadians receive the high-quality service they deserve. Let's take it further. Our AI language tool can be adapted to revolutionize training across government departments. From case analysts to immigration officers, employees could receive personalized, role-specific training, flexible, engaging, and effective. This approach reduces training time, improves outcomes, and cuts costs tied to high turnover. With real-time insights, training evolves with policy and workforce needs. It's more than just language. It's a smarter, scalable way to empower public servants and enhance service to Canadians. And why stop here? Our powerful AI app can be scaled nationwide to support job-seeking Canadians and promote bilingualism. It's easily replicable, making it ideal for helping civilians across the country. In today's evolving job market, learning a second language boosts employability, earning potential, and cultural awareness. Key advantages for those changing careers. By integrating the tool into the My Service Canada account, we could ensure easy access anytime. It's especially beneficial for newcomers, helping them integrate faster and contribute to a diverse, resilient workforce. Ultimately, this scalable solution empowers job seekers, strengthens bilingualism, and builds a brighter future for all Canadians. Let's address our potential risks head on. We have a risk register addressing risks we have identified, such as the top 4 identified here on the screen. We are working out the mitigation solutions. However, one of the greatest advantages that our team has is the diverse expertise ranging from programming to adult learning to language training and user experience. We add the full list on slide 44 in the annex for your information. And we're on track. So in the meantime, we're collecting feedback, preparing A/B testing, and continuing to meet with departments to shape the tool for real-world adoption. We're not just proposing a solution, we're championing change. This is our path to impact, a collaborative approach that aligns perfectly with the Government of Canada's service excellence values. We're not just thinking about today, we're reimagining how language training can work for every public servant across Canada in the future. As you'll see on screen, the organizations we have consulted with and who are interested in working with us. And now just a quick demo so that you can view our tool developed by Fan Mei using Python and Flask hosted on Render.
So it looks like the sound doesn't work, so I'll do the voiceover. As you can see, the program allows a user to take a writing exam of 30 questions in a timed format, 45 minutes. You can see badges show up on the screen. That's part of the gamification of the application. Correct answers get a check mark, incorrect answers get an X and explanations. We also have the app fill in blue the correct answer after each question so the user can review. And then after the test is completed, you will see that it will show the level of the test. So once we click submit, you will see that the level expected was C and the level that the user achieved was C. You can review the questions that they got wrong, and then you can go back to the main menu where it will show a dashboard of previous exams. Thank you.